Enter our system. Just tell me. This can be stored. Store one of our product specifications. Can be called directly. You can also choose directly. It's the parameters you made up. You can change the model directly next time. For example, the fold height is now 25. The glue injection fold is 35. 20% off the glue. We set the spacing of if it is 5. He would make the entire product length 135185. Then here are the glue injection methods. There are several kinds. Continuous glue injection, crest gluing, bilateral bone injection, and our bone peak glue injection. Then the glue breaking method has dislocation and glue breaking. The glue is broken on it. Break the glue below. There are also double-sided glue breaks. The amount of glue can be set directly on the screen. You can also use the knob directly. You can also rotate the knob. You see, rotation is also possible. Then this focus. It can vary according to the speed with which we walk. For example, the speed we are walking now is 4. It will drop by half. If we go, the speed is 8. It is equivalent to saying that this focal amount follows. It will add half. Parameters here. There's a crease test. After the crease detection is opened, when we fold to test that fold height, it will show how many millimeters. Then our crease detection can also be turned off. Fixed folding distance and slow delivery of broken glue. What he means is, for example, when we are collecting waves here, when walking behind, 30% or 20% off this paper without glue injection, we want to be more accurate. That is to say, when the two folds are not injected with glue. Will his spacing be small? Our belt can stop. You can wait, you can slow down. When we opened the broken glue and delivered it slowly, his 2 needles were not injected with glue. For example, if 2 stitches are broken without glue injection, he can set the speed from 10% to 100%. 100% just doesn't slow down. 10% reduced to 10% speed. Here's another normal glue line. Section real glue. He was playing the crest and injecting glue. When playing section by section. Where are we at the last fold? You can fill it all up. Make it connect. That is, it can be folded. It's not half folded. It can be glued all over. Then this normal glue break and the breakpoint are displaced. What about this function? For example, we are now using this glue. A little more out. For example, are we going to level this wind? Then if you come out a little more, we can move back. Move forward a little bit, can be equal to can be adjusted. And then there's a fixed amount of glue, heel breaking glue cutting glue. It's like our current broken glue is folded into. Is there no glue injection? When it breaks here. If you don't reduce the amount of glue at first, he's going to be a big mess here. For example, when you glue thick glue thread, he's going to be a big lump. These 2 sides. Then when we open this glue volume, break the glue and decompress it, we can glue the amount. For example, enter 10%. Or 20% to 100% can be adjusted. Make sure he crosses every line, no matter the beginning or the end. His intercourse is the same size. This traffic follow is here. If you turn it off, it won't follow. It won't change if you adjust the speed. For example, 4 has a focal capacity of 1.2. Open it and you can follow.